Okay, guys, this is me, PC. Mitchell's coming at you. Wow. I still love my beautiful, custom made, custom built, custom box shop box. And, anyways, I want to show you guys. There's a couple things I got in the mail for my build. And yeah, these things are going to make this build a lot more cleaner. I got these here, which are gonna go in the back. They'll go in there like that. Well, and then two will hook onto them. Oh, let me reach down in this bag. Yeah, this here's the bag I figured, it's more of a unbagging instead of unboxing. Anyways, to plug into these doohickeys. Well, these are called banana clips. And yeah, I got these here. They are 24 karat gold. And the end of these will plug right into there. And yeah, making my build a lot cleaner. A lot cleaner, much more better. And guys, I will be having another unboxing here shortly. Focus, see, that way you guys can see what these things are. But yeah, I'm loving this idea. I can't wait to get these things installed. I can't wait to get these things hooked up for sure. But yeah, this is just a short little unboxing here, guys. I wanted to show you guys. Man, I'm still loving my box, guys. I love it. But I should probably get going now. I should probably upload this, and that way I can get outside mowing my yard, even though I'm not that crazy about it. But anyways, but yeah, that's the way that's the route I'm wanting to go. If you guys want to make your box builds a lot cleaner without having all the excess nuts and bolts and wing nuts on the back, you guys can go this route here. I got these off of eBay for I got these off of I believe it was Amazon. I got these off of Amazon for under $10. That's a deal. I don't care who you are. But yeah, this will make my build a lot more cleaner, and it'll be a lot more better power wise. But anyways, guys, stay tuned for my big epic unboxing of my Singer alternator build. That's coming to me, probably sometime this week. But for now, this is PC Mental saying, please rate, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And for now, I am the one and only PC Mentalist out.